Well, here we are at St. John's College parking lot. And at the end of the road at the parking lot is a trailhead to Mount Atalya. Looks like a pretty cool hike. Well, here goes the trail through the desert. All the way up to the top of those mountains. There's an old dried up riverbed. No rain in a long, long time. Well, a few steps to help us up over the road. Probably about halfway up now. Look at that view out into the valley. Santa Fe. Whew, we're getting up there. We're up where all the movie stars live now. Down in the valley, Santa Fe. Little mountains everywhere. Well, we made it to the top. Whew. 11,000 feet above sea level, and there's still higher mountains off in the distance. Incredible. Right. Sunny down here, cloudy up there. Wow. We're on our way down. Look at these rocks. The lichen on it is nothing like I've ever seen. Little cactuses everywhere.